Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable store images in memory on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now go to Function Settings, and here go to Receive and Forward. Now let's go to Fax Settings, and right here we need to scroll down all the way until we see Forwarding Settings. And here we can enable or disable these store images in memory. So basically you won't store everything. You can only store it when any error occurs. So as you guys can see, there's no option to actually turn it on all the time, but you can turn it on when error occurs, and that's the setting I've been using for a while now. And that's basically how you guys can change it. Also, it works the same way for turning it off. It will just say settings configured, and it will automatically apply the setting that you chose. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.